It's Ethan at Patriot Acura in Scarborough, Maine. Everybody's talking about us because we just got ourselves a TLX Type S PMC Edition, and it's one of 350 made, super exclusive. Everybody's talking about it. Come and check it out right now.
Hey guys, guess what? We just got a TLX Type S PMC Edition. You want to come see it?
Are you kidding me?
Yeah, wow, come on! Guys, TLX Type S PMC Edition. Now, let's go. Let's go. Check it out. Guys, come quick. I got a TLX Type S PMC Edition out here.
Oh.
Dude, Cody, is this a PMC Edition TLX?
One of 350 ever made.
No way. Dude, that's rare.
So, 2021, they made their edition on the last generation. 2023, this is the new PMC Edition.
Woo!
One of 100 and the Neutron Pearl White. You're gonna notice a few key differences. We're gonna get automatically spec'd out with the gold rims, wrapped with some beautiful Pirelli P0 tires. We have the black roof. That is not
Two-tone
wrapped,
roof,
that is
dude?
painted.
Wow.
So if you look at the NSX as an example, their roofs are always painted black, so they went to finish that sleek style. As we do a walk around, you'll come to the front. Not a lot has changed in the front besides the lower lip that they add on. You'll notice that since this is a 23, it does not have the updated front ends because they only made these in the 2023 year.
What types of wheels are these, Cody?
So these are the 20-inch forged wheels in copper metallic, so they have flakes in them in the sun. You'll notice that this one is spec'd with A-spec side moldings, black exterior trim everywhere, not a bit of chrome. As we come onto the interior, you'll notice right around our drive panel and our door handle flakes, all carbon fiber. As we make our way to the back of the vehicle, you'll notice that we have a carbon duckbill spoiler, as well as a carbon rear diffuser, blackout exhaust tips, and blacked out badges across the entire car.
Wow, the blackout really makes a difference, Cody. That's real nice.
You will not find another one of these cars, and especially not here in Maine. This is one of a very few that you'll find up in the northern states. Come get it while we have it. Patriot Acura.
Scarborough, Maine. Come get it right now. Only 100 in this color.